Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you a project share for something that I'm working on for the Daisy Dub Crafts group, Facebook group. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk this morning. But anyway, I'm using the Scrap Diva Designs library card pocket. Excuse me. And this paper, this is from last year, Michael's Craftsmith Orchard Hill, which is we're doing an apple theme, and that's what I'm using this for. And I'm using last year's fall solids and the fall plaids. I believe this is from last year as well. So let me show you what I've done so far. So I cut out a bunch of them, and I cut it out in coordinating plaid, and then these three pieces, and then this is the base. Okay, so let me show you my samples so far. I have a bunch to make because I plan on having several ready to go, but here they are. Let me get that out of the way real quick. Here they are, and they're super cute. I didn't put the layering piece on them. I wanted to keep them pretty simple. There is a layering piece to the die, which is this one, and I decided not to use it. And I mean, that's not to say that I might not, I might go back and add it. Who knows? But I think I'm going to keep it this way because I have a plan for what's going inside. But there's 3 different samples, okay? And I do want to show you, let's see real quick if I can find it. Oh, I had it right here. Let me show you something real quick. I have this Stash Maple Apple Cider Tea. Look, it goes into it perfectly, okay? Super cute. You could even add, this would be great for a craft fair. I mean, excellent for a craft fair. You could even add a caramel apple sucker to go with it. I don't think the color goes well with it, but you could add that if you wanted to, or something else to jazz that up. But yeah, look at that. The maple apple cider tea bag goes in there very well. I mean, it fits in there very well and goes with the colors. I love the red color of that tea bag. I mean, it just works perfectly. So this would be a great craft fair. And let me see, I have a bag that I'm pretty sure fits it perfectly. Let's see what size this bag is. Oh, great. That's the bag. I know I bought it from Amazon. I don't know what size it is. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it. But I'm pretty sure this bag, let's see real quick. Yes, this bag will work perfectly. Now, I don't know if it would work well if you put that other piece, that other layering piece on it, but let's see real quick. These library pockets are so cute. Okay, and let me get a piece of paper. We're going to add a topper to it. Why not? I know I have some scraps, and I want to match that plaid. Let me see if I have any scraps of that plaid left. Because I need to save my apple paper. I don't have a lot of it, so. Okay, let me see. let's see how big this. That bag measures about 3.5 inches wide. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a piece of paper 3.5 inches. Just slightly bigger than that. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and my favorite is 3 inches. I like to do that, about a 1.5 inch topper. And hopefully that's going to work. Let's see real quick. I'm just folding it. I know I'm off camera, but I'm just folding it in half on my own. I'm not doing a phone. I'm just doing it on my own. So look how cute. So I did make the topper a little too big, so I'm just going to trim it. So 3 inches won't work. It's a little too big for that bag. Let's see if this will work. Maybe. Yep. That will work. Okay. So all I'm going to do is take my tiny attacher and there you go. There you have a cute little fall maple apple cider tea bag favor. Look how cute that is. That turned out really cute. So I am going to make a bunch of these. I was actually going to add something to them, which I still plan on doing that. But I have a bunch to make, and I definitely will make some more of the Stash maple apple cider. Okay, let me put this aside because I have an incoming swap from August that I want to show you guys. And let's go ahead and let me get it open off camera. I haven't opened it, but I don't want to expose the addresses that are on the box. Oh my goodness. This is from Janae. She is on the Daisy Deb Crafts Facebook group. And we had quite the swap in August. So let's see what oh my goodness. Oh, I can see right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. We did a pumpkin swap. Look how stinking cute this is. Oh my goodness. Look at all those adorable pumpkins, and the colors are just so cute in the cozy pumpkins. That is fantastic. Pumpkins made with loving hands from cozy homes across the land. So we gather close, we laugh, we trade, a patchwork of fall crafts we made. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And she even made it where it stands up on its own, guys. Is that not the cutest? Oh my gosh. Okay, she outdid herself. And then, look how clever. Okay. She has the Starbucks, what do you call that? That cup wrapper or whatever thing. I can't even remember the name of it. She has a Starbucks cup wrapper. And she has put tea bags and honey sticks, and then the sunflowers, they have the sticks actually have the sunflowers on them. And then she added this big sunflower. How cute is that? The Crafty Nurse August flower swap. that packaging, that presentation, that is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Janae. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep going. Look at this. This is the bead swap. Oh my gosh, and she did my favorite color, purple. Look at this thing. It is just, I don't want to take it apart right now. She has stamens. I've never used them. She has heart-shaped beads in here. Some epoxy glitter domes. And then all of these, I can't remember the name of the beads, but these are great for like spacers and all of that. Oh my goodness. Oh, and 2 packages of epoxy dome stickers. That is so cute. Just the presentation is so cute. Boy, I need to up my game. That my presentation hasn't looked like that. Okay. Oh my goodness. She sent me a pack of assorted napkins to decoupage with. Oh my goodness. This would be beautiful on the front of a card. Or, you know, a journal or anything. This too. Look at these. I can't wait to go through these. But it's a whole pack of napkins to decoupage with. Oh my goodness. Then she sent some recipe cards, and here is a recipe for pumpkin muffins, and that is wonderful. Look at that. That is so cute. Thank you, Janae. Oh my goodness. Look here. She even sent some paper. Some pumpkin paper, you know, scraps and everything that you can make cards with. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love, love, love this. Thank you so much. And then she sent, look at this. She put the little ribbon bow on here, the kind of the messy bow type, on this little pumpkin spice. This is perfect. This is going to go in on my coffee bar for sure. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm not going to open it. I'll open everything later on, but oh my goodness, that's so cute. And then pumpkin stickers, tiny pumpkins, warm and sweet. Stick them on a cozy treat. And I'm not going to open them. I don't want to mess up the envelope. But I will. They're little foam stickers. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Those are cute. Oh, cute. Thank you. I will use these for sure. I'll use everything. Anyway, let's move on to the sunflower. And then here is her sunflower swap. I don't like messing up the paper, but okay. I will have to. Oh, and she double wrapped it. Okay. Cute. It's like Christmas every month. Our swaps are just, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my. The sunflower goodness in this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to keep saying that. So she sent me some sunflower cards and the yarn and some hand sanitizer, everything themed in yellow with some butterscotches. My husband would love that for sure. He's going to take all the candy. This girl quit eating sugar, so yeah. Anyway, and then a lip balm holder Look at that. How cute is that? I love that. Did you make this? That's so cute. And then the tape, I use this tape all the time. I get it from Dollar Tree. This is awesome. Thank you. And that little sunflower on it. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then she sent me this little plaque. Welcome, friends, with all the sunflowers on it. How cute is that? I love that. Oh my goodness. I gotta hurry because I gotta go to work, guys. And then she sent me this with the sunflower paper clip and the poem. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And then a sponge. I didn't even know they had sunflower sponges. Look how cute that is. And with a scrubber. And then more sunflower stickers in here. And I bet, let's see, they're probably the foam stickers as well. They feel like they're thicker. Yes, look how cute those are. Oh my goodness. You know what? I am loving these swaps. We're just having such a good time. Thank you so much, Janae. This is just beautiful, wonderful. Thank you so much. We are having a great time on the group with our swaps, as you can tell. Okay, guys. Excuse me. I will talk to you later, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you again, Janae. This was a beautiful swap. Thank you.